What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I want to make this video real quick just to give you an update on the Oryax CPA network. So if you don't know what this network is, it's basically, the no shave network. So I got tired of getting shaved by Max Bounty, Cash App, etc. And ended up making my own. And the only ones that I see that you don't get shaved in, or there's like very, very, very little shaving, is in private networks. So to get in a private network, you have to go through a super affiliate, and all that fun stuff. And yeah, for most other super affiliates is a lot higher than $1,000 to get in there. You got to be making at least $10,000 a month consistently for 6 months and all that. Like mine obviously is a no shave network, but I don't let anyone in that's not currently making $5,000 a month, or they're not a version 2 member, or a V2 member or whatnot for the courses or whatever. Because again, with the no shaving, like for the bigger networks, like I said, they accept down there anybody, right? As long as you sound like you know what you're talking about. So you can watch a YouTube video and literally be in it. There is no, how much money do you actually make? Show me payment proofs, refresh your screen. There isn't any live calls or screen sharing, none of that, when it comes to those networks, So they shave, in my theory, they shave just basically to cover, the bad people that come in and basically scam the fuck out of them. But anyway, the network is finally back up 100%, because before we went to register, you couldn't register, and then before that, the entire website was down, so they had to go do a whole new backup. Then I had to open up ticket, and after ticket, do so many support little calls or whatnot. Then I had to go find a completely new developer because my old one just like completely went off the face of the map, a minute ago. And but he had everything like set up to where it didn't matter. Like it was running 100% smooth. Like I said, to my hosting company messed everything up. So yeah, I had to find a new developer to get all that stuff done. But basically, in a nutshell, the CPA network, the CPA course is going to be the CPA videos is going to be in the V2 course today. So if you haven't made an account already, watch the video and the training later today basically on how to get a guaranteed spot in here, because like I said, obviously this isn't something that you can just apply to and just get approved. Like this isn't like CPA Grip, CPA Lead, or Max Bounty or anything like that. Like you have to like show 100% proof that you actually make money or already be a course member or whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Also, let me know whether you're in the course or not, what type of CPA training you guys would like to see. Because obviously, like I said, with the whole V2 course, I was kind of focused on the adult niche, because like I said, the adult niche is stupid good money right now. Like, stupid good money. Like, I'm actually going to be putting together a video later today of this method that I've been doing. It makes around $50 to like $200 a day, right? And it's just all about scaling or whatever. And it's like I said, no point in going into it since I'm not going to put it on YouTube. But anyway, it's stupid dirt cheap. It's that traffic source. If you already have a V2 course, it's a traffic source that I put up there a few days ago. It's already on there right now. Basically, I spent $20, just hit $20, and was able to get my ad in front of over 5,000 targeted real people. Tell you, people have been sleeping on this traffic source. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Again, just let me know what type of CPA training you guys want to see in the comment section below.